Hello, I'm Joe Walensky, and I am the conference director for the UX Writer Conference, which is a virtual event coming up in July, and that will be on Tuesday, the 21st. And this has been an event that we've done before, and it's now part of a continuing virtual series. One of the fun things that I get to do is chat with each of the speakers. And right now I am speaking with Liliana Torres Flores. Hello, Liliana. How are you today?
Hi, Joe. I'm pretty good. Thank you.
Well, it's nice to have you as part of the program. Where are you talking to me from?
I am in Mexico City.
Oh, excellent. I've been there, enjoyed my time there, as well as other parts of Mexico. I'm talking from Bellingham, Washington, which is north of Seattle. So, again, it's good to have you as part of the program. And a good place to start is if you can tell us a little bit about your work and how you found your way into what you do.
Okay, perfect. Right now, I am in the design of team as a UX writing lead. And how did I land here? That's a very interesting question. I study lengua and literaturas hispánicas and in UNAM, that is Universidad Nacional Autónoma de México, here in Mexico City as well. And my first major was linguistics, and my second major was computational linguistics. After college, I was working a few years, let's say that, doing artificial intelligence and computational linguistics. And almost a year ago, a little bit more, I decided to turn back into UX writing. Along all this time, I have been working with user experience and trying to get to know all the methodologies and how to apply it to give the best product to the user. But right now, my role is more into the strategic part of all the UX writing and how to approach the operation. And right now, the main challenge is to incorporate the artificial intelligence in all these processes.
Well, it sounds like you've already done quite a lot of things in your career so far.
A little bit, a little bit.
Well, as you've been busy, you're also going to present a session that has the title From Writer to Strategist, the new role of UX writers in the AI era. So tell us a little bit about what we can expect to learn from that.
Okay, what I want to achieve with this is to give to the UX writer a little bit hope. I have been noticing on my team that right now everyone thinks that AI is going to replace us, and I don't think so. What I think is that we need to change the approach that we are having to our everyday work and see and turn it into something more strategically, uh, strat strategically, and that will help us to see and understand how the AI works, but also how to use it inside our processes to give a better output, not only for the user and for the product stakeholders, also for us in our day by day.
Well, it sounds like it's going to be very interesting, and also it comes directly out of your experience with your own team. Um, how has that adjustment been for you? So, what has it been like uh, bringing your work into having AI as one of the technologies?
Yeah, that's have been interesting. And also kind of, yeah, interesting, mostly interesting. As I told you earlier, my background is computational linguist, that it is mainly focused focused on the language part of the artificial intelligence, and that have helped me to understand a little more the logic behind everything that we see these days on the large language models. But also with my thing, I have been noticing that all the UX writers have different backgrounds, and it's not the same for everyone to try to understand the logic behind it. But at the very beginning, I was used to, well, at the very beginning of the generative models, I was used to another type of artificial intelligence, that it was created with archetypes and entities and so on. So right now it is kind of a little bit different. We have parameters, we have LLMs, and the uh, the approach for everything is kind of different. To adjust to that has been challenging because I have to understand now different processes, and also has been challenging because I have to keep up on the earlier news to bring it to my team and try to explain it to them. And for that, I need to understand it myself first. So yeah, it has been interesting.
Well, I'm glad you said a little bit more about computational linguistics, because that's something that I think I want to learn a little bit more about and maybe research a bit on my own. But thank you for taking the time to chat with me and talk about your background and your session. And I'll see you at the conference in a few weeks.
Happy to be there. I'm excited for that.
All right, great. Thanks a lot, Liliana. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Joe.